Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix edit or unsend messages not working on iPhone. If you ever have experienced the instant feeling of regretting immediately after hitting send in any message, then you understand what it means to have an edit or unsend button on your iMessage app. Sadly, although that feature is available, many iPhone users find themselves unable to unsend messages. So if you are in the same situation or if you are searching for how to help a friend with this problem, don't worry about it. First, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is check the internet connection. Strong internet connection is essential for the iMessage app to work properly, including unsend feature. If you cannot use the option of editing or unsending your messages on your messaging app, then check your Wi-Fi and cellular data and move to another network that is stronger when possible, and you are done. And you should also disable low data mode. If your internet seems low, consider disabling low data mode for iMessage to see if it improves the situation. For this, go to settings, then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Next, scroll down and then tap on low data mode toggle button to disable it, and you are done. And the next step is check the Apple system status. If your internet is working fine, you still find yourself unable to make use of edit unsend feature, it might be not an issue with your internet connectivity but with Apple servers. For this, you just need to visit Apple system status page and then tap on the plus icon next to it. Look for any reported issue with the iMessage service. If a problem is listed, it's best to wait until Apple resolves on its end, and you are done. The next step is restart the iMessage app. For this, from your home screen, swipe up from the bottom to see your opened apps. Then swipe left or right to find the Messages app and then swipe up on its preview to close it. And then relaunch the Messages app and you are done. And the next step is update the iOS to the latest version. If restarting the app doesn't work either, you might be facing some bugs that could have been resolved in subsequent iOS update. If your iPhone is not running on the latest version of the iOS, make sure to install the update and see if it has solved the problems of edit or unsend messages not working on iPhone. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of edit or unsend messages not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.